Discovery Education presents Spotlight on Strategies Video Prep Series, presented by the Den Community.
Yay! All right.
Hi, I'm Diane LaFay from Edmonton, Alberta, Canada, and I'm here to show you how to use a strategy called Hook 'em. Fishing is a hobby that many people enjoy. The challenge of using a simple metal hook and line to catch a wiggly fish is captivating, and successfully reeling one in takes patience and practice. The process of learning a new academic skill is similar. Patience and opportunities to practice are required to master new information. According to Dr. John Medina, our brains are wired to learn the things that we have repeated exposure to. Experiencing academic content multiple times in a variety of ways helps students to develop and hone their understanding and memory. Hook your students into practicing what they need to know by involving them in a fishing trip that has them learning, practicing, and applying new concepts in a fun and engaging way. To use this strategy, you will need a Discovery Education video segment, cardboard or wooden cutouts of fish with some type of loop attached to them, the fish puzzle page, which you can find in the Hook 'em PDF file, markers, and fishing poles, which can be made with sticks, a line of string or yarn, and a paper clip for the hook. This strategy should take about 35 to 45 minutes. Begin by selecting a Discovery Education video segment that relates to your unit of study. Create multiple fish by tracing the fish pattern onto stiff cardboard or wood and then cutting them out. Attach a bent paper clip or ring to the top side of each fish so it can be hooked. Write a question that relates to your media selection on the bottom of each fish. Make a copy of the fish puzzle page for each group of students. Then set up your fish pond by marking a line on the floor and designating one side of it as water and the other side as land. Scatter the fish, ring side up, in the area designated as water. Share the video with students. Help them know what to watch for by incorporating other SOS strategies such as 3 truths and 1 lie, Get a Clue, or XO Let's Go. Divide students into teams. Give each team a fishing pole and have teams take turns trying their skill at catching a fish. When a team catches a fish, have them turn it over, read the question aloud, and then work together to answer the question. If the question is answered correctly, the team colors in one piece of the fish puzzle. If the question is not answered correctly, the fish is thrown back and the next team takes a turn. Repeat the process, and the first team to color in their entire fish puzzle wins the fishing contest. This strategy provides students with a fun way to revisit content addressed during the lesson. They are encouraged to work collaboratively with their peers, and they have multiple exposures to materials they need to learn. Another option for this lesson is to cut the fish puzzle up instead of having groups color the pieces. Reward students who answer questions correctly with puzzle pieces, which they must then use to build a completed fish. You can also vary the level of questions that you write on the fish. While some questions can be basic knowledge and comprehension that check to see if students have a core understanding of the material, you should also include questions that require teams to synthesize and analyze material they are learning. If you are working with students who have a competitive urge, label each question with point values according to the level of thinking required to produce an answer. This strategy and classroom photos are courtesy of Abdelnazir Abdelhamid, a community member from Cairo, Egypt.